JBuds Sport ANC 4 Quick Start Guide. In this video, we will go over how to use your brand new JBuds Sport ANC 4 earbuds. Unboxing the product. When you first open the box, you'll find three important items: the JBuds Sport ANC 4, a quick start guide that goes over everything we will discuss in this video, and two additional sets of ear tips in sizes small and large. How to power on. To power on for the first time, you'll need to remove the stickers from the charging pins on the inside of the earbuds. Then place them back in the case and pull out again to power on. How to connect. Bluetooth. Once powered, you should see red-blue flashing lights on one of the earbuds. Go into your Bluetooth settings and find JLab JBuds Sport ANC 4, then click Connect. How to connect. Multipoint. Once your first device is connected via Bluetooth, go into your settings and either turn off Bluetooth or disconnect the JBuds Sport ANC 4 from your first device. The JBuds Sport ANC 4 will then go into pairing mode. Go into your secondary device's Bluetooth settings and connect to JBuds Sport ANC 4. Once connected to your secondary device, go back to your first device and pair to JBuds Sport ANC 4. You will now be connected to both devices. Controls. The JBuds Sport ANC 4 features two types of controls: touch and swipe. You can tap or long press the JLab logo on each earbud for different controls, as well as swipe up or down on the sport hook. All controls can be customized via the JLab app available on the Apple or Google Play Store. How to wear. To wear the JBuds Sport ANC 4, wrap the sport hook around the top of your ear. Then rotate until you get a comfortable and secure fit. It's important to get a good seal in your ear for optimal sound quality. How to change ear tips. If you feel like you aren't getting a good seal with the ear tips that come on the JBuds Sport ANC 4, you can replace them with either the small or large size tips included in the packaging. To change the ear tips, simply pull off the ear tips from the earbuds. Then slide the earbud nozzle into the inner tube of the ear. Pull the ear tips down until they are securely placed on the earbud. How to charge. In case. To charge the JBuds Sport ANC 4 earbuds, place them in the case in their correct positions. You will see flashing blue lights on each earbud, as well as on the case, indicating they are charging. How to charge. Case. To charge the case, plug the integrated USB-C cable into a compatible USB-C port or a wall adapter. There will be flashing white lights on the case to indicate the charging level. When fully charged, all three white lights will stay on. How to charge. Wireless charging. To wirelessly charge the JBuds Sport ANC 4, simply place on any wireless charging pad. Flashing blue lights on the case will indicate they are charging. Troubleshoot. How to reset. If you're having issues with one of the earbuds not connecting, or earbuds not connecting to each other, please follow this reset process. First, forget the JBuds Sport ANC 4 from your device's Bluetooth settings. Then, place both earbuds back into the charging case. Then tap 7 times on each earbud. You should see a blue light flash 5 times on the earbud. Once you do this on both earbuds, take them out of the case. One of the earbuds should go into pairing mode, flashing blue-red lights, and one should be a solid white light. Finally, reconnect the earbuds via your device's Bluetooth settings.